EcoFlight is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to educate and to advocate for the environment using small planes, flying political decision makers, media representatives, and concerned citizens over areas of interest to the public.
I'm a huge proponent of public lands, and I've been intrigued by the BLM lands lately because they're a little less used, a little more remote.
Recreation on public lands is a huge economic driver for small towns all across the Mountain West, Colorado especially. Not only are the economic benefits important, but benefits to people's well-being and peace of mind is also very important.
My business would probably not exist if there wasn't access to public lands. The ability for people to go and recreate on land that, as Americans, that they own is really vital to what outdoor recreation is really about.
The flight was intriguing because you could tell how one road or one mark on the land could stay forever. Those landscapes are really fragile.
One of the challenges in this region is there's really not a whole lot of roads that go through it, and so it's tough to really access some of this stuff. The ability to be able to see it from the air and see how remote it really is really kind of did bring a pretty strong perspective.
This is where we live. Whoa! It's really important to go to these public meetings and to comment. The BLM really does listen to public comments, and they really are there for public meetings for people like us to come and voice our opinions.